I love you, B.
This ain't the honeymoon.
Go, B.
I see infatuation fade. Right in the thick of love. At times we get sick of love. Seems like we argue every day. No one see.
What can you say? Video vlog, man, dance class, September 1 and shit. Jay-Z over here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're sweating like shit, you know what I'm saying? It's like, I don't know anymore what I'm saying, you know? And yeah, second batch, once again, let's go. I love you.
Girl, I'm in love with you. This ain't the honeymoon. I'm past the infatuation phase. Right in the thick of love. At times we get sick of love. Seems like we argue every day. I know I'm sweet.
What can you say, man? What can you say?